Right, today we're going to do a little different installation. This is an airbag kit for a 2016 Toyota Tacoma. Alright, this is going to be Airlift kit number 59561 for a 2016 Tacoma. Alright, so this is the passenger side. We just got it placed here. Hadn't got anything tightened up yet, but instructions are pretty weird. But that's the upper bracket. We're gonna have, of course, that's gonna go in there, and then the lower bracket, it's got a clamp, U-bolt clamp. So we're gonna get that installed. All right, this is once our bolts are in. The bolt up front is ridiculously hard to get to. Right there, but with some patience you should be able to get it. And then the bolt down here. Alright, there is the driver's side installed. Again, this front bolt is a pain in the butt. No easier because of the gas tank, but overall not very difficult. So now our next step is to go to run the airlines and place our fill valve. Alright, we've decided that would be a good spot for the fill valve. We ran the airlines and drilled a little hole to run the lines up and away from anything, especially on this side where you have the muffler, the tailpipe. And we got plenty of clearance away from the tire. And then over here, next thing you're going to do is you're going to test. Put some air in it. £78.5 pounds. It's right at 60. So that's pretty much it. Any other thing you want to do is after you get all your airlines installed, you want to spray your fittings with a soapy water spray. You can see there's a little bit of air bubbles there. You just tighten those up till it quits bubbling, and then you're good to go.